Hey guys, thank you for watching Carlos TV Official. Once again, this is Carlos. In today's episode, I am reacting to Francis Aglabtin, May Bukas Pa. This is like the highest version, as they say. Anyway, so before I do that, I wanted to quickly say thank you to everyone who have already subscribed to my channel. I can't believe that I now have over 1,000 subscribers, and that's just amazing. My goal is just have 1,000 before the end of October, but today is October 26 or 27, yeah, 26, but I now have over 1,000 subscribers, so that is just amazing. Thank you very much for all the support. So if you are new to my channel, I would like to quickly invite you as well to please click on the subscribe button below and let's rock and roll. Tawagin ko na kayong rock and rollers. Anyway, so let's check this out, guys. I know that Francis Aglabtin is like a contestant in Itbulaga's version of Tawag ng Tanghalan. So I think this is called Lola's Playlist. I'm not sure about that, but let's go check this out, guys.
Carlos TV.
Here we go, guys. Ultimate Champion. Hindi ko alam kung anong history nito. Parang di nagsimula? Maganda yung boses na. Wow! Sino yung kasabayan niyang kumanta? Siya lang ba yun? Wow! This kid is amazing! Mga bata to. Bakit wala akong ganito ka ng boses? Ogiel Cassett kasabay niya kumanta. Hindi ko alam kung anong show to. Sino dito si Francis? Kasi dalawang kumakasagmata.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Itbulaga's Lola's Playlist, Francis Aglabtin and Benedict Apoy.
Sino si Ben? Parang maganda yung boses ng dalawa. Hindi ko alam kung sinong Benedict.
Ito si Francis lang.
Medyo malayo kasi yung screen.
10 years old po.
At ikaw naman, Benedict.
Oh. Si Benedict yung matangkad.
Bakit?
Interesado ako makita yung... May siningin na isa. So ito, solo version niya. Excuse me, guys.
Tutulungan ka ng Diyos.
Gumagano-ganon siya. Oh my goodness! Yung vocal power na hindi ko alam kung saan niya kinukuha. Oh? Ang ganda ng buka ng bibig niya. Yung ganitong klase ng buka ng bibig, alam mo, oh my God! Oh! Shit! What the is? Oh my... Guys. I'm blown away, guys. Francis Aglabtin, at a very young age, your singing voice is already excellent. So, at this point of time, what I want to tell you is you are rocking everyone's world. I'm not sure with you guys, but for me, at 12 years old, he is doing a wonderful job already in singing songs. Ang galing niyang maglaro ng kanta. Ang galing niyang maglaro. Alam mo yung parang gawing sarili niya yung kanta. Yung mga gumaganon-ganon pa siyang style para, hindi ko alam kasi most of the singers nakikita ko may mga sariling actuation sila habang kumakanta. Pero as regards Francis Aglabtin, I think that he is going to be like one of the Philippines' great singers. So good luck to him, and I am not sure how many of you will support, but I am a fan already. So thank you, Francis, for sharing your talent with us. Thank you for watching Carlos TV Official. Again, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Carlos TV Official. I also have a Facebook account. It's called Carlos TV. My Twitter is CarlosSolrak84. My Instagram account is Karamoan_Kamsur. Please connect with me on these social media platforms now. Thank you.